Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Even the Impossible by Mack. This will be in the key of A and without a capo. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. So the chords needed for this song are F sharp minor, D, just a regular old D chord, and A. You just play the A like that, or if you want, you can kind of make like a D shape, like that. Still same chord, and E. And that'll be for the whole entire song. So without the capo, for the intro, the chords will be A to D. And the strum pattern will be down, 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 up, 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 down. And that's with the capo. That's without the capo. Now if you add the capo, it'll be the same exact strumming pattern, but it will be G, so this kind of G, to a C, sorry. So that's how it is for the intro. So coming from the verse, you have, so you finish up your chord progression F, D, A to E, and that final E is the first of the chorus. And right after that, it goes back into doing the F sharp minor to D to A to E, and you do that twice. And that leads into the little instrumental, which is the same exact thing, which is F, and you play that 2 times through too. And that leads straight back into the verse, which is the two bridges. The first two bridges are exactly the same as the F sharp to D to A and E. So the first one goes through it 8 times, and the ending, of course, is the A to the E. So on the other go, it's the same exact thing on the second bridge, but you play it 9 times. And so it'll just be. Keep on doing that for the bridges. Bridge is the same exact pattern, the F, D, A through E, and that's played 5 times through. And then you do the instrumental, if you want to call it that, and same exact thing, but just play 1 time. And then the final chorus is exact same thing, and that same chord progression, the F, D, A, and E are played 5 times through, and it ends on the E. Hope this tutorial helped y'all out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if y'all have any comments or any song requests, leave them in the comments below,